The first thing you want to do is to make a copy so you have the original for whatever reason if anything goes wrong. And once you've made your copy, you can get started on making it your own. So what I'm going to do is click here and change the color of the background. Click in the color box, I'm going to make it red. But not only am I going to make this background, well, whatever color this is, I'm going to change all of the black backgrounds to this color as well by clicking this check mark here. Now I like how this looks, so I'm going to leave this black as well, or the dark gray, but I am going to change the photo. So I'm actually going to drag and drop the photo here. Now in order to change the text, I'm going to select, I'm just going to type in my name. Don't know why I keep doing that. I'm going to type in my name, and I can change the font here. Canva provides you with a number of fonts, but you could also do something that matches your brand. Then we're going to scroll down. I'm actually going to change this background to white. And I'm going to change the font to black. I'm going to go ahead and change all of the gray font to black. And there we go. Now I'm going to change this here. As you can see, it's two different areas. I'm actually going to change this to the red color as well. Oh, I missed my opportunity to change all, but that's okay. I'm going to click the background, do that as well. So it's going to change all my grays to this lovely reddish pink hybrid color. And then I'm going to go to my photo, then I'm going to change this background photo here. I'm going to crop it in a way that I see the full hat. I'm going to keep scrolling. As you can see, the background has already changed, so I'm just going to drag and drop some photos. I'm going to type in woman. And just have some ladies show up here. Once again, I'm going to drag and drop because I'm going to keep this here white, or I could actually change it to maybe a light gray color. And so as you can see, these two are still white because they're different elements. I'm going to click on it and unlock it. And then we're going to change that to that gray color as well so that it matches. Going to unlock it and change it to that gray. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. And then I'm just going to throw that in there. May not be the best photo to use, but we're going to make it work. There we go. Now this background was a different color, but because we changed them all, it's working for us. I'm going to change this gray to a black. I'm going to do that to all of them. As you can see, changed it all for me. And just a quick click. Now here, you can select all. I'm going to put my name. And you do not need to use all of these text areas, whatever you want to call it. So you can actually delete them and you can move them around as well. So that's also an option for you. As you can see, it changed this already for me. I'm actually going to change this gray area to a white. Change the background for me. I want to change this gray to a white as well. So I'm going to do all of that by clicking the change all. I'm going to leave this the way that it is. And then here, I'm actually going to change this to the reddish color. I'm not going to change all because that will change everything that's black into the red, and I don't want to mess up the designs that I fixed up earlier. So I'm going to switch out this background here. So let's use this one. Awesome. And if you'd like to move this text simply because your photo doesn't permit for it to be down here, you can just select and drag your mouse over these elements. It'll select them all for you, and you can move them up like this based on the photo that you choose. And then here we have our text and some other elements. So this is locked just so that it doesn't move around when you start typing. You can always unlock it, but feel free to, change the text here, change the text up here, so on and so forth. This area here is for the crisscross in the middle. You can also unlock that, and when you unlock that, you'll be able to change the color. I'm just going to lock it and leave it the way that it is. And there you have it. If you want to download, you will download actually. You're going to click download and then select the pages that you would like. If you'd like all 10, select the top. If not, select the specific pages that you would like to download. Hit done and then hit download. And I'm going to do a comparison to show you the original versus what we've just changed it to. So in a moment you'll see this is the original, and then this is what we created. So the original and then what we've created. And there you have it.